My name is Reginald Basley, and today we will talk about the information systems that deal with the company Nike. My presentation will be about the information that occur for the company Nike. I will discuss the computer-based information systems of Nike, the benefits and challenges an IT user for Nike may go through in trying to implement knowledge-based management systems, business analytics of Nike, the creative ways in using social networking sites for marketing and research by social computing, and the counters used against Porter's Five Forces model to combat competitive forces against Nike. Nike Incorporated is a worldwide industry that specializes in athletic apparel and equipment. Blue Ribbon Sports was founded in 1964 by Phil Knight and Bill Bowerman. The company would later change its name to Nike. Nike was the goddess of victory in ancient Greek mythology. A former Portland State student, Carolyn Davidson, designed the signature swoop symbol that stands here today. Nike's mission statement is to bring inspiration and creativity to every athlete in the world. Nike is most known for their manufacturing of shoes, Knight's history of track and field at the University of Oregon, and the superstars associated with the brand, such as Kobe Bryant, Kevin Durant, LeBron James, Michael Jordan, and Serena Williams. First, we will talk about computer-based information systems. Nike has various computer-based information systems. Nike has offense information systems, transaction processing systems, management information systems, and communication systems. Offense information systems include electronic data interchanges, or EDIs, which are utilized to trade content, illustration, sound, and video to all levels of directions for Nike. Transaction processing systems allow for online transactions to store transactions to occur within store pickups on online items purchased. This also allows a decrease in clerical costs for Nike for their employees. Management information systems creates an exact and composed data so supervisors and different clients can settle on choices, tackle issues, and track advancement on the company. Communication systems are done through social computing, advertising on television, as well as Twitter, Facebook, and other apps. Nike sending out notifications to the public is a way of communication for Nike. Next, we will talk about implementing knowledge management systems. Benefits and challenges of implementing knowledge management systems in the company Nike Incorporated can be done using creativity, refining, capturing, and managing. Creativity allows Nike to discover new ideas to persuade new consumers and keep loyal consumers engaged in the brand. An example would be Nike using Michael Jordan as the face of a new product, such as Air Jordan, like they did back in the day. Refining allows Nike to stay relevant in the media's eyes. They are able to do this by adding on to original items that have been produced in the past and making it new again for purchase. Capturing is a company's ability that they have to have their own differentiation from others. Nike Incorporated differs from other companies, which lies inside their slogan, "Just Do It," and their logo, which just helps them set out and helps them stand out from other competitive brands such as Adidas. Next, we will talk about the business analytics for the company Nike. Descriptive analytics for a company like Nike consists of improvements that can be made to a certain product to elevate its sale. An example would be Nike teaming up with designer Virgil Abloh of Off-White to produce Nike Off-White collaboration on their products. Nike releasing a particular shoe that is not selling at the rate it is projected it can be improved by Nike adding a collaboration with another designer to elevate the product's popularity. When this occurs, Nike raises their prices on their products because they know it will sell big. That is called predicative analytics. This is the ability to determine future trends and identifying unknown patterns used. Another example of predicative analysis for Nike would be to determine the appropriate time to release a product, such as a sweatsuit collection, until August or until fall time because of the school and fall weather and winter weather approaching. Instead of releasing that product in the summertime, prescriptive analytics allows for a company to understand what will happen with future trends and why it will occur that way. For a company like Nike, prescriptive analytics would include footwear, may be selling at its most anticipated product for customers. This may occur because Nike is most known for its shoes. Another example of prescriptive analytics is Nike understanding that if their clients are performing well in their respective sport, that they will see a rise in sale in whatever that client is endorsing, such as a popular shoe or jersey. Talk about social computing. Nike uses innovative ways to capture customers, such as using social media to advertise, research, and develop. Applications such as Instagram and Twitter allow for Nike to reach its consumers by advertising, giving them visuals on how the product engages with other consumers to give insight on potential customers. Instagram and Twitter allows for Nike consumers to be updated with the latest information given and allows them to get feedback from potential consumers. Networking sites such as StockX, Facebook, and Foot Locker, which allow customers to still purchase Nike products. Lastly, I will talk about the counters to Porter's Five Forces model. All companies use the Porter's Five Forces model. For Nike, it starts with the innovation, the ability for the company to develop its infrastructure to reach consumers. Nike's ability to use various logos synonymous to its name develops popularity in some of their well-known products. Examples include Nike Air Jordan and Nike Off-White. Next is differentiation. Nike has the ability to stand out from other athletic retailers because they allow customization of footwear on their websites for their customers. Cost leader is very important because Nike is able to decrease production costs in order to increase profit and reduce selling prices on items such as shoe wear and other accessories to get ahead of brands like Adidas. Customer oriented is most important to me because Nike revolves around its athletes. Nike always has a competitive advantage because of the relationship it carries with its superstar clients, influences how their fans interact with the brand. Acts like Kevin Durant, LeBron James, who are the only NBA players with 11 signature shoes released under one brand, this leads to fans engaging with the Nike brand. Lastly, we have pandering, and Nike is able to pander to its consumers by having rewards, raffles, and sales and other consumer-related items to buy so the consumer can be more engaged to buy whatever product that Nike is engaging to sell. Thank you for participating in our video presentation of the information systems of the company of Nike.